In just 3 days, my new Instagram account reached over 5,000 USA viewers, and I got over 400 engagements from these viewers. And to top it off, about 30% of these viewers clicked on the link I was promoting and purchased the product I was promoting to them. So this method earned $600 on Instagram in just 3 days. And the best part is this method can be scaled and easily automated. All you just need to do is to set it up once and start making money in passive income. So that is why in this video, I'm going to show you two main ways you can make money from Instagram right from day one, even with zero following. Okay, first one is by creating your own product. This means you have to deal with customer service. You have to put in the effort and put in the work to create that product. While the second method is by, promoting other people's products, which means you want to partner with someone or a company that already has a product. All you just need to do is to get an affiliate link from them and you get a commission whenever you make a sale. So this is literally called affiliate marketing. It's literally the easiest way you can start making money from day one. And the process is very simple. The first step is simply finding a product, and the second step is getting your affiliate link, and the third step is promoting it. And when you make a sale, you get paid a portion of that sale, which is usually known as commission. And this commission can range from anywhere from 10% to 80% or even 100%, depending on the product and the niche you're promoting. So the first step is finding profitable niches that work for Instagram. And to do that, you can simply go over to ChatGPT and it's going to give you the list of the best niches that perform very well on Instagram. So if you come over to ChatGPT and you type in, for instance, top 10 profitable niches for affiliate marketing on Instagram, as you can see, it's going to give us a list of top 10 niches we can promote on Instagram that has been proven to make other people money on the platform. So for this video, I'm going to take the health and fitness as an example, but you don't want to go on promoting the health and fitness directly because this is a very broad niche. Rather, you want to look for sub niches. All you need to do is to then ask ChatGPT to give you sub niches for whatever niche you decide to go with. And for this example, I chose health and fitness. And as you can see right here, give me a list of 20 sub niches for health and fitness niche. As you can see here, it's going to give us many niches we can basically go for that have little to zero competition, as many of these are targeted niches. So we are going to be taking this niche here as an example. So the next thing you're going to be needing is an affiliate account, and you can create an affiliate account from many platforms out there such as warriorplus.com. You can even use clickbank.com as well to create a free affiliate account. All right. So once you're signed up to either of these networks, all you just need to do is to go to the marketplace and you can type in a keyword related to whatever product you are promoting. And since I'm using longs in this case, I'm going to search for long. As you can see, we have products here that we can promote from ClickBank from this niche. Okay. And as you can see here, this product is going to pay us $147 for every sale, which means all you literally need is about 4 to 5 sales to make your first $500 on Instagram. And I'm going to show you how in this video. And this is where I see many beginners make mistake and they end up not making any money at all. So before you start promoting this product, I highly recommend to look for a lead magnet. A lead magnet is basically a value-based freebies you give to users in order to build trust and relationship with them. And there are two ways you can go about this. You can either use the available lead magnet provided to you by the vendor of the product, or you can simply create your own from scratch. Okay, whichever one you want to go with is absolutely fine. And now you may ask, how do you find a lead magnet from the vendor? All you simply need to do is to go over to the affiliate page of whatever product you're promoting. All you just simply need to do is to scroll through the affiliate resource page and see if you can find free ebook. As you can see, this one here has free ebooks. We can literally use as lead magnets to build trust with our audience, and then promote this affiliate product and tremendously increase our chances of making a sale. So I'm going to click on this. You can see they provided us with the PDF, which you can simply just click and download the ebook to our device right away. So I'm going to download this one here, which says the 7-day long fix. And all you need to do is to click on download. And just like that, you've downloaded it to your device. And if for some reason the product you are promoting does not have a free ebook you can give to users, all you need to do is to come over to idplr.com. This platform has over 6,000 ebooks you can download from various niches. So that takes us to the next step, searchda.com, where you want to then simply upload the ebook right here. So I'm just going to select the ebook and then I'm going to click on open. So once the ebook opens up like this, as you can see, this is the content in this ebook, literally giving people tremendous value for this niche. Okay. The next step is to come over to any section of the page to add your affiliate link. And to add your link, all you need to do is to click on the text element. Okay. So once you do that, you'll be able to type anything right here. So you want to type in a very simple, captivating call to action like this, very powerful and related to what you're promoting. Like this one, which says, click here to get the simple trick for clearing mucus. Do this before bed. And the final thing we are going to do on this page is to simply go back to ClickBank to grab your affiliate link. And this is a unique link that is going to be used to track your sales and credit you your commission whenever someone purchases the product using your link. All right. So now we are on ClickBank. All we need to do is to click on Get Affiliate Link. And this is where you want to then type in your ClickBank username and you'll be able to then generate your affiliate link right away. So once you grab your link, all you need to do is to come back to the call to action and you want to then click on this create a link and you want to come over to the top here and this is where you want to then paste in your affiliate link. You want to then repeat this same process for several pages in the ebook, and once you're done, all you need to do is to click on apply changes. Just like that, in a couple of seconds, you can download this ebook to your device. And if you scroll down to the page where our affiliate link is, once people come over here and they click on this link, it's going to take them to the ClickBank offer page. And once they make a purchase, you make money. All right. So you want to download it to your device. And that takes us to the third step where I'm going to show you how to make money on autopilot without you literally having to do anything. All you need to do is to set up this strategy once and start making money in passive income. So you want to simply make a short video like this. As you can see, this is just a simple video you can get on somewhere like pexels.com, or you can go over to YouTube and get it from YouTube Creative Commons videos. Okay. And you want to tell people to type in a keyword in the comments. And once they type in that keyword, it's going to take people to your landing page. So now you can see this person is doing this strategy and you can see they have over 700 likes. And this is the exact strategy I used as well. So if you go over to the comment section of this video, you can see this video was posted 2 weeks ago. You can see this one right here. This person entered that keyword in the comments. And if we scroll down here, you can see many other people are also entering this keyword in the comments as well, as you can see for yourself. And like I said, I used this a few days ago and this method still works till today, as many people are going to type in that keyword to get whatever you are promoting to them in that videos. So that takes us to the next step where I'm going to show you how to set this up right away. So you want to simply come over to ManyChat.com, and this is an automation tool which you can use to automate this process without having to do any hard work yourself. Once people start entering that keyword, they are going to be redirected to our affiliate link. All you need to do is to click on the Get Started button. And as you can see here, you can create an account for absolutely free using your Instagram, TikTok, WhatsApp, or any of these other methods. Once your account is created, your dashboard should look like this. And this is the automation option we are going to be selecting. This one here that says auto DM links from comments. Okay. So you want to click on this. So once you do that, it's going to ask you to select a post from your Instagram account. Okay. So you want to make sure to select a post where you've already told people to enter that keyword in the comments. All right. So I'm going to select this post here as an example. All right. So now you want to scroll down here. You can either select a specific keyword, just like that video did, or you can select this any word option. So I highly recommend to select this any word option because some people might not spell that word correctly, and because of that the automation will not work. So the next thing you want to then do is to scroll down, and this is the message people are going to get in their DM. So you want to make sure to craft this message to make it suitable for whatever niche or product you're promoting. Okay, you want to change this section to grab my ebook. Is once people click on grab my ebook, then they will be sent a link where they can download that ebook. So this means you can simply upload that ebook to somewhere like Google Drive, or you can upload it to Mediafire or any other file sharing platform of your choice. Okay, however, before you share on Google Drive, you want to make sure to come over to this share option. And once you do that, you want to make sure to select this anyone with the link option. Okay. So all you then need to do is to then click on copy link. All you then need to do is to type in something like this, download it here. So this way you then want to type in your link like this, and you want to click on save. So once people make that comment under your video, they are going to see this in their DM. And once they open the ebook, they are going to find our affiliate link within the ebook. And if they click on it, it takes them to the sales page of the product. And if they make a purchase, we make money. It's that simple. So now I'm going to show you how to reach viewers in specific countries of your choice. And the reason you want to do this is because viewers from tier 1 countries tend to spend more on products online as opposed to other regions in the world. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to use Youproxy to target Instagram viewers from any country. And also Youproxy allows you to manage multiple Instagram accounts as well. And you can see right here, they have premium proxies at a very affordable price. Okay, all you need to do once you come over to youproxy.io is to basically create an account by clicking on the login button. This way, you'll be able to create an account on Youproxy. So once you create your account, all you simply need to do is to come over to the new order section. And as you can see here, they have various proxies from IPv4, IPv6, ISP, and mobile proxy. So you can use anyone to do this, but you want to make sure to go for either the mobile proxy or the ISP proxy. All you then need to do here is to come over to the country section, and you can select any country of your choice. So I'm going to select United States, and here you can type in the purpose. Okay, so now the next thing you want to then do is to select a rental period. This means you are simply paying to rent this proxy for a specific period of time. So I'm going to select 1 month, and here you can type in whatever number of proxies you want. And here you want to select your payment method. As you can see, there are various payment options here you can use to purchase these proxies. Okay, so for me, I'm going to select my balance since I've already funded my account using this balance option right here. All right, so the next thing you then want to do is to come over to where it says promo code. And if you type in XB marketing in this box, you're going to get 15% off any purchase you make on the platform. So here you want to check this box and you want to click on make order. And just like that, you're going to see this message like this. So the next thing you then want to do is to click on personal accounts. And once you do that, you want to go to the proxy you just purchased. So for me, I'm going to come to the ISP section. All right. So once you come over here, all you just simply need to do is to select the proxy. Okay. So I'm going to take this one here as an example, and you want to come over to the export option. All right. So you can see there are various options here, but I'm going to select this second method right here, and I'm going to click on download list. So now all I need to do is to open this proxy right here. So all I just then need to do is to copy my proxy. So that takes us to the next step where you're going to be needing an Antidetect browser to use this proxy. And some of the best ones in the market is Octo browser or AdsPower. So you can use any of these two Antidetect browsers. Okay, so I'm going to be taking AdsPower in this video. And this is because they give you free 5 profiles you can use to test out their browser. Okay. So I'm going to leave the download link below. As you can see right here, I have done this method on several Instagram accounts on my Ads Power, as you can see right here. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to do this from scratch. So all you simply need to do is to create a profile on Ads Power by clicking on New Profile. And you can give your profile a name. Okay, so the most important thing you want to do here is to scroll down to where it says proxy. And here you want to come over to where it says proxy type. You want to select HTTP. And once you select this, you then want to paste in your proxy right here like this. And you can click on this check proxy option. As you can see, it shows this connection test pass, which means everything works fine. All you just need to do is to click on OK. As you can see, this is the new profile I just created. And all you need to do here is to click on open. Once the profile opens up, all you need to do is to head over to Instagram.com and you can basically create a new Instagram account, or you can basically log into an existing account you have already and start posting content from this proxy. And this way you can easily reach people in your target country of choice. And also this helps you to manage multiple Instagram accounts without getting banned.